Ready for this ride?
Somebody's to America over there.
To America? It would never be to America.
The flag's almost touching the ground. Shit.
Well, yeah, now that is... I figure that should... Juby's just now driving by! What the hell?
That's Sasquatch of a motherfucker.
Damn, Juby! Alright guys, we're at a racetrack. Yeah, boy! Yeah, buddy! Alright, so we're gonna try to... We just got through tech, and now we're gonna go up there and try to make a lick. Carburetor's giving us a little bit of issues, but it'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. It'll bump! Alright guys, first lick in the new car. To say I'm nervous is an understatement. I'm just gonna take it real easy, figure the car out. Everything's new, so just don't want to hurt nothing. Or me.
That's my face. $13.75.
Okay, that was fun. I don't know what I ran though, so we'll see. Ha! Ah! It's broke. It's okay, we'll get it fixed though.
Oh, Juby!
Oh, Clayton!
At the pump seal, no.
Yeah.
No, do seal.
It's a no seal. Who this?
Yeah, it's if you can see, there's a little red stain under there. It puked out a bunch of transmission fluid. Came off the end of the track and it pushed the front pump seal out of it, so we're pretty well done for the night. Went 1375 at what, 96?
96.
Yeah, 96 mile an hour, had a 2.4 60 foot. It is what it is. That's why we do this. Come out, test, break shit,
Maybe
show
next
back up.
Maybe next time we'll have the Fiesta going out.
That'd be cool.
Maybe next time the Mustang will still be in the shop.
Possibility.
Next time we'll drink balls.
We have a transmission to pull now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this short flick that we made tonight. Have a good night.